Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk about the Oxo Good Grip Smooth Cutting Can Opener. And I made a review on this can opener, this exact can opener, a few years ago, probably 7, 8 years ago. And people in the comments are always saying, oh, I didn't understand how to use it. In fact, some people actually said that they threw it away because they didn't know how to use it. So this would be the definitive instructional video on how to use this can opener and the can opener of this type that actually doesn't pierce the top, but pierces the side and makes a smooth edge. So first, in order to understand how to actually use this, we probably need to understand how the mechanism works and how does it actually open a can. All right, so it all begins in the beginning. And the beginning is, how do you create a can? You have basically a cylinder like this. So this is the can, this is the cylinder. And then you put a lid on top like this, right? And then you crimp it over and squeeze it through, and it makes an airtight seal. Now they usually put some sort of a glue to make it airtight, and that's about it. This is how cans have been made for years and years, for centuries. Not centuries, but for a long time. All right, so what does this can opener do? Basically, it has a blade here, right there. See the blade? That pierces this side all around. So the fold, this fold gets cut right here. And then the lid can go up. So, let me show you up close. So how to use it. You take the can and you put this right like this on top. Take the can like this and close the handle. And remember, the reason to closing the handle is so that it pierces the side with this blade. Okay, so when you turn this, it basically rotates the blade over this part. So let me go ahead and do it all the way through. And how do you know when you're done? Usually just doing a complete circle is enough, but you will feel when it's enough. Here we go. It now became easy to turn, and then you can open it up, right? And then they give you this claw, right? This thing. It's there for a reason. It's like mini pliers. And you take the can, and let me show you how it pierced that lip all around the lid. See? So it's pretty much pierced all around. And then when you take basically pliers and you put them like this, the pliers hold it from the other side, and basically you go up and pry it. Okay? So that's how it works. And I made a mess here, but it's for the people to know how this thing works. Okay, so to sum it up, this on top, you close it, you pierce all the way around, then you use the claws, bam, bam, to lift it up. See, it's basically pliers, only miniature pliers that come built into the tool. Okay, so hopefully this will let me get rid of this. So hopefully this will be the final video on how to use the Oxo Good Grips Smooth Edge can opener, and that's it. Please put in the comments if you think this is a good explanation, because honestly I made another video before this video and I showed it to my significant other, and she was like, I don't know if I could understand it from that, so make another one. All right, so this is the second one. In fact, I might just put the second one, the first one that I made, after I end this video. So tell me what you think. Which explanation was better? So please put in your comments, thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a follow-up video on the Oxo Good Grips can opener, and this is the this side handle can opener. Now, I got a lot of comments in the original video where people still don't know how to use it. In fact, some people said, oh, I just threw it away because I didn't know how to use it. So I thought I would make a video on how it actually works. It would probably make it easy for some people to understand how it works in order to understand what they need to do to make this actually open a can. Now, I've had this for well over 10 years. I think probably 14, maybe more. And it's been an excellent can opener. Still works great. Very used, as you can see. All right, so here's a typical can. And this is expired, so I'm going to use this. And how does the anatomy of a can works? A can is formed, right? You got a can, and it's formed. It's like this, okay? Now, there's a lip in the top, right? And then they start and put a lid on top, like this, right? And then they crimp it over, like this, where these two pinch this wall, and there's some, they normally put some sort of glue or something so it gets a good airtight seal. And what this can opener does is basically cut it right over here. Okay, so when it cuts it over here, the lid can just pop up, and in order for it to pop up, sometimes you have to use these claws here to lift it up. Okay, so let me show you a small section. I'm going to open this can in a small section, and let's probably show you how this is basically the knife or the blade that pierces this side of the rim. Okay, so you see the can, it goes like this, basically just like this, and you close it, and as you can see, the cutting wheel is right on this there. Okay, so when you turn the handle, it pierces that. Okay, all right, so let me do it all the way. And when you open this can this way, right, you go like this, like this, like this, until you feel that you actually pierced it all the way through. And you can tell right away. I just felt right away that I went through a section that I already pierced. Now let me show you how it looks like now. Okay, you see how this lid, the fold got cut all the way around, right there. And when you take the claws, right, like this, you put it like this, and the claw comes down from the other side, and you can basically lift it up. You can see the glue, and that's how it's opening the can. So hopefully now we won't have any questions about how this type of can opener works. Basically, there's a blade here that pierces the side of the lid, and this way it can go up and out of the way. So I'm going to post a link to this can opener in the description. I would like to hear your comments. What do you think? Was this a good explanation? Can we finally get this done and over? All right, if you like this video, please thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.